Do you want to learn how to use this AI old photo restoration on Flexclip? This is an AI tool inside Flexclip, and we're going to go inside it and I'm going to show you how to use it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So I'm going to click on this button. Now it's going to give us this dashboard of AI photo restoration. Now you need to upload an image. And I don't currently have an image or the old image of it. So I'm going to go over to Google and I found this over on Google. I'm going to copy it, save it. And over here, I'm going to upload that image that I just downloaded off from Google. This is the photo that I got from Google. Now on the left hand side, we got the image settings. So AI photo colorizer, we're going to turn it on. AI photo, old photo restoration, it's already turned on. There is AI remove scratches and creases. We're going to turn that on as well, which is going to recognize the scratches and creases and remove it with AI like that. It has recognized it. Now I can draw it on it. If you find that there are some creases or scratches that are still there, you can draw on it or click on erase to erase it. Now this erase does not mean that you can erase those scratches. It's just for if you want to remove where you have drawn that way. This is the size. You can increase or decrease your brush size. There's AI image upscaler. We're going to turn it on as well. You can make it 3x, 4x. I'm just going to make it 2x. Does this change the credits? No, it doesn't change the credits. Okay. So this takes in like 8 credits out of your total balance. You can see it on the top right. This is your total balance. And why do I have this much balance on my account is because I've got the business plan on Flexclip. So I'm going to generate it from here and let's check it out, the results. It's going to again recognize the parts where it can make more correction to it. So it has added these blue things on it. You can also draw over the areas where you feel that there are scratches and such, but it has made the photo look a lot better than it was before. And you can download it from here or you can start generating again, which is going to take in 4 credits this time because we have, I think we have removed the photo colorizer and the image upscaler. That's why. So if you just want to do the old photo restoration, it's going to take in 2 credits. And if you do the AI remove scratches and creases, it's going to take 2 credits for this. So it's going to take 2 for the colorizer and the upscaler. So all of these combined takes in 8 credits. Now you can download it from here and add to media. So it's going to add it to your media folder on Flexclip. You can also see this in your history over here. In case you close this, you just go back from here, go to history and add it to media. It's going to add it successfully. And then you go over to your media folder and you'll see this over here. Now you can add it as a scene or you can add it as a layer, which is going to be on top of this like that. And then you can move it around, decrease the size, increase it and such. There's the AI tools for this. You can play around with that. And that's it. This is how to use the AI old photo restoration on Flexclip. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also, there will be a playlist that is going to pop up on the right hand side or left, I'm not sure. And you can go inside it and check out all my tutorials on Flexclip. There's also a full tutorial on Flexclip there as well. And if you really found this video helpful and you want to buy a plan on this website, there will be a link in the description. You can go through that link and buy any of the paid plans on Flexclip and it's going to help me out as well. So check out my other videos and see you there.